To create a new database in Access, open up the program, come over and type in a name, which we will call this Test Database, and hit Create. Access has now opened it up and come up with a table 1. And I'm going to show you how to add fields to table 1 and rename it and start a new database in this little video series. So the first thing we do is you can start typing in fields on this view of the table, but I'm going to go down and turn it into design view, and I'm going to name it, we'll call this database address, ADDRESS. Hit OK. Now it's the same table, but if you look over here, instead of table 1 it says address, and here it shows first field name is ID. It's a key field, which is important, and it's an auto number. What that means is that as new records are put into this table, this number will increment one at a time. So in the address table, we're going to put in first name. We're going to come over here and we're going to choose what kind of data that's going to be. And we've got all of these things which I'll put in and explain. We're just going to use a text field. We're going to put last name. And that is also going to be a text field. We're going to put in telephone number. And that is going to be a text field. And we'll put in email address. And for that we could use text, but to make it clickable we're going to put in a hyperlink. So these are right now we can add any fields we want later on to this table, but for demonstration purposes I'm going to save the table. Yes. And as you can see over here on the side, we have an address table. It's got first name, last name, telephone, email, and we can add fields here if we'd like to add them. So that's how you create a table in Access. The next thing I'm going to do is make a form on another video that shows you how to put information into this table.